are right at the center of the poblacion of Maasim. They have all their tricycles here are colored green. That's kanila, no? Municipal hall nila?
Yeah. Sa ano municipal hall there?
Ito lang color.
Sa gym.
Ah, gym. Pero municipal hall mo siguro.
There's a municipal hall inside the compound. We went there for
7-Eleven na rin sila. Shell. Ah, pwede pala
gasoline.
May B-Power na pala dito eh. Iisip ko kasi kanina eh, baka pabalik.
We're already better than
pabalik
the
ng before COVID na
Visayas poblacion. Some of that Visayas
considering na before this is mga buwan, di ba? Tagal na. Pabalik dito.
Should the Kiamba is also progressive.
Ito. Talaga na. Yan, ano yan? Santa Cruz. Multi-purpose cooperative.
The tricycles is green. Neon green. Coffee shop. They have
Tapos may shell na doon. Alam ko na. Just in case.
Ano stabilizer ng cam na to?
Ha?
Ganito yung stabilizer. Chick boy ka ba?